Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by importing RAW files into a well-organized catalog so edits stay non-destructive and reversible. Once imported, quickly cull using flags and star ratings to reduce workload. This saves time and preserves disk space. Make sure to use the survey view and compare similar frames side by side, then reject obvious failures. Once done, move your 310 best images into a target collection. This creates a focused batch for consistent editing and prevents decision fatigue later. Next, you'll build a foundational edit by solving color and tone problems first, because these changes affect everything else. Start with white balance and global exposure. Use the eyedropper to neutralize color casts, then refine highlights and shadows to recover detail. After that, add texture and clarity sparingly to enhance midtones without creating halos. Make sure to enable lens corrections and straighten or crop for composition. Once those structural edits are set, localized adjustments will behave predictably and save time. Finish by applying local tweaks only after global tones are right, because localized changes rely on a stable base. Use the brush, graduated and radial tools to dodge and burn or isolate color shifts, then sharpen according to output size and add noise reduction if necessary. Once done, export with a preset for your target, web or print, ensuring resolution, format, and metadata are correct. If colors shift on export, make sure you use the correct color profile and soft proof. That usually fixes surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.